Is there a right way to select products for my affiliate marketing business, or do I just randomly pick products? And you might be wondering, how do you actually find winning products or the right products to sell as an affiliate marketer? Well, in this episode, I'm going to show you how to actually choose the right products for your affiliate marketing business. Welcome to my channel. My name is Helga K, and I help corporate women launch a profitable online business, even if they don't have their own products, so that they can build their business alongside of their corporate gig. And when they're ready to transition from that corporate world into their online business, whenever they choose. So before we get into it, I do want to let you know I've put together a free guide called The Ultimate Guide for Corporate Women Launching a Profitable Online Business that's going to give you the entire framework of what you need to have in place, your infrastructure, the requirements that you need to get your business up and running. And I've also included resources in that guide, and it's yours available today for free. And I've included it in the description below, so you can just go to the link and you can download it. How do you actually choose winning products to sell as an affiliate marketer? Well, there's a lot of opinions out there, and I'm going to present what I believe is the best option. And I've always believed that I prefer to purchase products from people who've actually used products themselves and have had an experience with it that they can then translate over to me. So I believe that the best and winning products are the products that you use personally yourself. And there are a lot of ways of finding products that you can promote. Again, I believe that if you want to promote something, you should be a user of that product, because then you can speak to the quality of the product, the results of the product, and how it's affected you prior to you actually using that product. And again, I believe that building a business, you want to be building it with some integrity and credibility. So let's talk about how you can actually find products. And the easiest way that I found is to look to yourself, look within your own home. What are the things that you are using? What type of products are you using? What types of services are you using? And you'll find that most companies are offering affiliate or referral programs. And more companies are adding affiliate programs to their business because they understand the power of a referral. When it comes from someone who's actually used it or watched it or has gotten some kind of a benefit or an enjoyment out of it, that becomes so powerful that they are willing to pay a commission to that individual for the referral. So here's where I'm going to have you look through what you currently have. Now, I'll give you some examples of what I've done. Now, I've gone into, there was a point in time where I found that my arms and legs got really crepey. The skin was starting to look really crepey, and I got a little angst over it. But I found a product that actually addresses the crepiness and smooths out the skin so that it doesn't look crepey at all. So obviously, I'm going to promote that product, and someone who's hearing my experience with that is more likely to take my referral more to heart, because I've actually used it and had an experience with it. Now, that's just one example. I'll give you another one. Shampoos. I, at a point in time, found that my hair was thinning. Every time I shampooed my hair, I'd have a handful of hair that was just freaking me out, actually. And so I use a shampoo, a special shampoo that's actually literally stopped that. It's stopped my hair from falling out, and to some degree, there's some regrowth that's actually coming back. So again, that little tiny bit of experience is going to have an effect on someone else who might have had that experience or who is currently having that experience. They're more likely to take action on that experience and that referral because of my experience. I'll give you a couple more examples. When I started my online business, it's important also when you're starting a business to have separate bank accounts and to have a separate credit card, again, for the optics of your business. So I found that the credit card that I use, I got a separate business credit card to use specifically for business expenses and for education and tools and knowledge that I needed to develop towards my business. So that credit card specifically will provide referrals when I refer that credit card to other people for business. So again, credit cards. And one more example I'll give you is courses. I've also taken a numerous number of courses to educate myself and to get the knowledge that I need for building my online business. So obviously, the course that I've used that helped me get my business up and running and branded and the infrastructure in place in 30 days, obviously I'm going to promote that because I've gotten a result. It was really simple to do. I got great results and I got the infrastructure built entirely. So obviously I'm going to promote that and encourage other people that are in the same position to take a look at it. And again, they provide affiliate programs alongside of those programs so that when someone does take advantage of it and purchases, there is a commission that is given to me. Now, that's the way I like to do affiliate marketing. I want to make sure that the products that I'm promoting, I personally use. So a couple of other examples here. Amazon. If you're purchasing products from Amazon, keep track of those, because if you're using a blender, let's say you've purchased a Ninja blender from Amazon and you really love it and you make great smoothies or great margaritas from it, then obviously you're going to promote that. If someone else is looking for a blender and you're letting them know that you got this Ninja blender and it's making great margaritas, they might be purchasing it from you. So Amazon's a great resource. And also there are two other major retailers that offer affiliate programs, and that is Walmart and Target. So if you purchase anything from those brands, you have the ability to also apply for their affiliate program and get commissions when you recommend them. Now that's just some examples. So here's your action step. Create a spreadsheet and just document all of the products that you use that you would like to promote to other people, whether it's skincare, hair care, maybe some clothing that you use, or some appliances, or home decor, business tools that you might be using. Just list them all out. And then look to the company and check if they have an affiliate program. And the way you do that is you go to their website and you scroll all the way down to the bottom, and you're going to see it's either going to say affiliate program, or it could say ambassador program or referral program, and apply to them. There's no charge to apply for the affiliate programs, and you can go ahead and start applying and getting ready to start promoting your products. Now, I've also included my free guide called The Ultimate Guide for Corporate Women Launching a Profitable Online Business. If you want to create the infrastructure and everything that you need in place to start your online business, I suggest downloading it, and I'll leave a link below in the description. And also, I'll leave you all the links to the products that I've just given you examples for. If you have an interest in, I'll leave that there for you as well. Now, I hope that you've enjoyed today's episode. I've really enjoyed putting this information together for you. So until next time, we'll see you then.